All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna still continue talking about rest of the graph and also trend. We have to take a Ferris wheel and the location of Ferris wheel. We gotta change that to a sine graph. Okay, so we're gonna talk about it because this is gonna be a big part of AP exam. Actually, there's a whole FRQ about it. So if you guys see if you guys can figure out. So
Hey, just can I ask you a question?
yeah.
Does it actually matter if you get like a 5 or a 3 in the AP exam? Because pre-calc is shit either way, right?
Okay, so doesn't matter. For me, it doesn't matter if you pass. Like Arthur, if you pass or be praise the Lord.
I will be passing. I mean, I need to. I want to fix my GPA.
Okay.
If I don't pass, I'm screwed.
Okay, so I missed. Why are you playing with your phone? Your mom's texting you. How about to text her back?
Married man. Somehow.
Oh. All right, so all right, so questions on your homework that the graph is not matching. Which question you guys have? Saying which question you had? 7. Can you tell me which question 7 is? -2. What is it? Cotangent. You're gonna have to speak up. 3x minus pi over 2 minus 1. Okay, so this is a parenthesis, right? So what you're gonna do is you can take out a 3 first. And if you take out a 3, that's gonna be what? Pi over what? 6. Okay, minus 1. Is that okay? So on your graph, it does have a pi over 6 thing on it, which is good. Also that this 3, so it'll be 2 is well, those input 2 is none. However, -2 is a stretch. So stretch, that means it go like away from the midline, your next point of these. Your period is gonna be pi over 3, I believe. And the quarter period is gonna be pi over 12. Wait, hold on a second. Do I need a quarter period? No, I don't need a quarter period. Okay, so I mean you can, but you don't have to. Okay, so it's a pi with pi.
Would you ever need it?
No, well, probably sometimes, but not right now. So what happened is you are gonna have a asymptote. The asymptote is gonna occur at first at pi over 6. And then this asymptote. Is that okay? And also at -1, this is the midline. It's -1. Is that okay? Okay, so from pi over 6 added to, so pi over 6 added the whole period, which is pi over 3, which is 2 over 2, so it'll be 3 pi over 6. So at 3 pi over 6, it will give you another asymptote. Is that okay? It's okay or no? And then the cotangent is negative. So if it's negative, it's look like tangent now. So and the graphs should be going like 2 units. So 2 units here and 2 unit here. So it should be like this. And that's one graph. And if you want to find all the asymptote, it's going to be pi over 6 plus n times pi over 3. And that's all the asymptote. Because you know you start with the asymptote. Cotangent, I feel like it's easier. Because you start with asymptote. You don't have to stretch half period front and half period back. Huh? Yeah, because this is gonna be period. You adding each period. So if I start with asymptote, I just go to the next asymptote. But if I start with the middle, which tangent is harder because you start in the middle, but you had to stretch half period front and half period back. So that slightly make it harder. Any questions? No? Okay. So we finished with sine and cosine. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you a Ferris wheel question. You can do. I think minimum I will ask students do 12, 2 periods. So usually 2 period is enough. I think this is one. Okay, yeah, this is one. Okay, so this is a Canadian test. Okay.
Canadians say that. Oh, okay.
All right, so shh. Okay, we're gonna start with this question. But this question I'm gonna just zoom in a little bit because we're gonna use cosine. Now you're gonna look at this. You're gonna look at this. So let's read all the information for this. So
Can I read it?
huh?
Can I read it?
Yeah, you can read it.
I found out yesterday. Yes. A Ferris wheel at an amusement park has rider it on at position A, which is 3 meters above the ground. The highest point of the ride is 15 meters above the ground. The ride takes 40 seconds for one complete revolution.
Okay, so pay attention where they start. Well, hopefully you don't ride a Ferris wheel on the B position because then you have to like get on the stair and go onto the B station and then get up there. It's stupid, right? Yeah. You right on the bottom. But also that chair cannot touch the floor. So you need to have some like maybe like a little bit meter off the ground because you also have your feet on your chair, so it's gonna have some distance from here. Now what happened is you're gonna say this: how do I make the position of the seat and change that to a sine graph? Now, for most of you guys might not understand what's going on, so I'm going to show you on Desmos. That way you guys can see it, and so that way you guys can see things a little bit better. So I'm going to go to Desmos here, and I want to show you what happened here. So, wait, what a sigmoid graph is. Save graph more. So,
I just saw a piggy on screen.
Yeah. Do you know who did the piggy?
Amber?
Yeah.
Wait, it said it right next to it.
I say right there. Do you remember doing that? Do you remember? Okay.
May 31st, 2023. There's one of 2013. I was a wee little baby.
I don't know where they're at. Hold on a second. Oh, this one. Okay, so now do you know that this so you see that pretend that this is a wheelchair, right? Now the Ferris wheel. Pretend that's the Ferris wheel. And so I'm gonna maybe speed up a little bit. Okay. So this is the location of Ferris wheel, like right here, right? Do you see that? And so what you're gonna do is you're gonna come up a graph that's simulated to this Ferris wheel. So I don't want to teach you how to do it. I want you guys to come up with it. Now imagine you start here, and I'm gonna give you a clue. Should I use sine function or cosine function? Why cosine? You have to start on the bottom, right? Okay, because you're not writing the Ferris wheel right here. You're writing a Ferris wheel on the bottom. So what will be the equation represent this in terms, how far they're going to go up and how far they're going to go down? So I want you to come up with this equation.
I'm gonna copy.
So I didn't show you the equation, but I want you to come up with it. Greenwald still hear you?
Huh?
Greenwald still hear you?
Bro, I think his fat ass forgot. I'm not gonna lie. I got into class Monday. I walked. He's like, "Hey, Arthur." He was trying to like expel me basically, like Friday. What happened, bro? Oh, by the way, apparently he's throwing away the test that everyone failed.
Does he like the Bad Bunny performance?
No. He said, "I didn't even watch that shit." I want you to go take a shit.
Did you tell me? Did you watch your Kid Rock performance?
I told him, I was like, "No, it was really good. It was very liberal." He goes,
I don't know.
"So funny." So funny. Okay, break this down.
Y equals cosine.
We're gonna do 13. Take out, there you go, no, 12. 12. Oh, wait. Then I'll be the 6. The amplitude will be 6, okay? We're gonna go negative 6.
Devin, come on. Did you already figure out?
Oh, yeah. We know the amplitude is here. Oh, half of that period. You're right. He's asking us to make an equation.
Yeah, make the equation.
That makes that go like that.
Yeah, you start at point A.
Y equals negative 6 cosine.
You're gonna have no idea what I'm doing.
No, you were doing good. You were saying.
No, I have negative 6 post.
Yeah, that's perfect. Perfect way to
That's
start.
where it's like, that's the kind of I'm here.
Something. Oh, wait. Oh, something. Where'd you get? Okay. The midline is that AB.
I did it.
Wait, why?
Yeah, it's
Oh,
there.
it's just 6.
No, how is that? Split it in half. Hey, Caleb, I got you. That's the negative 6.
Because it's not cutting the ground. You don't start on the ground when you're on a Ferris wheel.
And that's you on a Ferris wheel to broke.
Damn it.
Tell you where it all came from. Okay, so
Here, let me ask you a question. How did you get plus 6?
maybe so it would be
Okay, you have to tell me. You don't have
You're afraid of height? Are you afraid of height?
like.
I'm afraid of heights.
Yeah.
That's the concept of like half.
It's gonna put it above.
Did you get the whole thing?
I'm thinking it works. Why would it say that it's
I
don't think starts.
Why would we? Stop. My Ferris wheel is not.
Oh, because the 3, right?
It's not three.
Yeah. Hey, Jin, you're coming to 3.
Yeah. Yeah, we did already.
You said 9.
That's if you want. I think that they're.
9 not makes more sense. 3 and then 6. I gotta take out
And probably the whole thing is an elevator.
right.
We're graphing the circle.
Yeah. Really? Just. But Ellie Mae, you're not a kind of consent to 3.
We are.
How are you kind of consent to 3? You can go even higher. Yeah. It has to go up.
Okay, I'm gonna say it's six.
Either either way, either you're completely right, right, and we're completely wrong, or vice versa.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Good observation.
Should I put this in Desmos? How am I putting this in
My question is, is there a
Okay, I genuinely.
3 might not be.
Okay,
I know.
Why I feel like you're adding three and the 15. I think they has it, bro.
No, I'm not.
They has. So why would
we? Okay, if you
why
count
would
to
you?
3, I would say it's not.
I don't know. Why would you account it for the three when it's
That's what I
already
mean.
already?
all it's saying?
Why would you account for three if it's part of the 15? It's not like 15 is going lower.
Because I guess it's just the idea.
Well.
Yeah.
Or you just account for the
All the way below. They're like the same height. Like, let's say the bottom of the thing starts at well, what, 0.
By the way, I hear a lot of good discussion. You should be confident on what you believe in, and you should willing to take the debate with other people. It's fun. This is part of learning. It's not just say, oh, I believe this is the answer, and oh, I'll just follow other people because he seems smarter. No, you have to believe in your own answer.
Because the radius is
basically say that the 3 is the midpoint.
so you have to reach the middle to the
Or if you have to grab next to the screen, and then you can because it accounts for the entire circle, and then if we're taking the tape, literally taking it. We're taking like literally, you gotta take it like.
Actually, no, I can't come up with myself.
What is Isla?
No, I texted her earlier. That's after I don't know why.
He changed his mind to 6.
Oh, somebody change to the mic?
Are you serious right now? Ow! Because she said like
Because it's like
back down to 0, and then it becomes
It's the same thing as 12 and 0 if you raise the ground for it.
Look, I don't care if I'm wrong, but I'm not gonna choose my opinion. If you're not accounting for 3, you gotta account for 3. You start off on the 3, and then you add the 6 and have half. The other 6.
When you start off with a 3, it doesn't make it 15 anymore. Start off with a 3. Not even the same height. You have to subtract height with the 15.
You don't start off on 12.
Okay, where are you?
The ground is the x.
No, you have to start on the 8 point. If you can't start on the ground, it's gonna roll.
That's why we're adding the 3! That's why the whole argument is we start at 9 and have 3.
Why would you have to start on the
Yes, I agree with that. I know. When he said it,
You should believe in your own answer, and you should be willing to debate. You should willing to listen too. I mean, that's the good thing about. That's the things that we don't have in today's politics. You have to be able to listen to other people. You have to say what is right, what is wrong.
Wait, hear me out.
That is the only way to make sense. I refuse to believe that.
That's what they
I don't know.
Tried 6,
Alright.
tried 9.
Not only anything, you have to take into account the 40 seconds per revolution.
Oh.
I don't know. Or
No,
29.
no. He's excited that I'm changing my mind.
Anyway, I have no idea how to.
No, but how do you get 2 pi over b is the period? Your cosine sine it's
Wait, hi, what?
over b.
Wait, can you explain
Why?
why?
No. I'm saying like.
Me,
Can you
me and
because like I know
they were debating, and this is what we got.
So,
After we
he's right.
so the middle
Yeah.
touching the ground.
Right.
Let's say you.
Middle of the wheel would be the midline.
Oh.
You're just another example.
Yeah, so it's 6, but you have to count.
Yeah.
Okay.
Logic will always be stupid. And that's Devin, what did you put? 6 or 9?
for what?
6,
Or
7.
9.
Even Devin.
Good job.
What are we being asked to do?
To find out the equation that do the right takes 40 seconds one revolution. Right.
Is this a good equation?
A little bit off.
I got that too. I got his with -6. Mine is negative.
Yeah, but your B might be need adjustment.
But okay, so like, what does it have to do with the A? Like the A value of this and the B value of this? Like,
Well, B doesn't worry about it. You don't worry about it. You just start writing an A.
mine is pi over b. Is it pi over b? Why is there like a one tribe? The only reason I said pi over b is
Good job.
Something this to Ella.
Yeah, she named it. It's on live stream right now. All right, so I see a couple of people's answer, but nobody have taken count into 40 seconds. Anybody taking count of 40 seconds? Raise your hand. All right, that's good. That's good. Sharia, nice. How about Anthony? Alexis? Justin? No. Okay, so communicate with each other. Communicate with each other. You have to believe in your own answer. You cannot be like, oh, okay. Gia says this, I agree with it, or Arthur says this, I agree with it, because I agree. But sometimes, like, you know, we all have to listen to another person. Like, listen to another person takes a lot of heart, but sometimes we have to do that. Okay, sometimes we have to do that.
Teamwork made the dream work over here, Miss. Yeah.
You and Devin.
Same over here.
Yeah, that's good. You guys learn to listen to each other. A lot of time, like, so for most of you guys went to math competition, right? And sometimes you're gonna have to debate with each other, but debate is good. It's not bad, but you have to willing to listen, not only the one that talking. You had to be talking and you had to listening at the same time, and you had to readjust each time. So those are things that are part of learning. Don't just like listen to other people. No, don't just like only listen to yourself. Think about all the things that you can possibly, and also think on your own too. Believe in yourself, because you think you're right. You should go fight for it. So come on, I need you to figure out the last part. I think most of the part people did not do the 40-second part.
I changed 15 to 20.
That's good. I'm gonna come around. Look at you.
Wait, I think I got it. I can just call for me like oh, I'm so good at trading out. That's all they want to. Oh, so good. So good. The best. One year out. The best.
That's R. Whatever R is.
I got it. Like in terms of time.
So basically, it's like 5, 13, right? So it's contracted as well. It's so strong. Oh, that's
All right, so shh. I was going around and I looking at a lot of good answers. I seen some people not finished. I need you to help them if you're not finished. But if you need to know, like one of the things that Cole was telling me is this. He says, I didn't know the x-axis is time. And that's a big thing to think about. Because what is here? And this here is how long it takes to here, right? So this is the time that takes from this period to this point, right? So that's the time. So time is the x-axis. And that's a very, very important thing for you guys to understand. Now, you guys have a very good discussion. So we get off at 1:10, right? Okay, so I'm going to show you. So first of all, you know that this one is going to be 3. This one's going to be 15. So the middle part is what? Oh, sorry. Quick time. Good job, by the way. The middle part has to be somewhere around 9, right? So we start on the bottom, so it'll be -6 cosine plus 9. And this part here, take 40 seconds. So 40 seconds is equal to 2 pi over b. And b is equal to pi over 20. So there'll be pi over 20 x. You're missing a pi, Senor. Very good job, guys. 40b equal to 2 pi. And you solve for b, you divide by 40 on both sides. So b is equal to pi over 20. Yes. Yeah, I will post later.
Are you going to the debate room now? 1 second, yeah. Okay.
I'll wait for you.
You don't have to. It's okay.
I want to.
No, it's okay.
Why? It just crossed me.
Why?
Like, wait,
Say.
you need to
Why?
because
Because
like
watching your right.
She's gone. All of her like.
Oh yeah, she right there, she just came out of the.
What? Oh, she's back. Oh, shit. Oh, I found her. I found her. Hey.
You can leave. There's more to it than that.
Bro, Reggie. I'm waiting for the day you pull up in a proper outfit, bro. You put him on a
Bye. Good job today.
Yeah.
I like you stick with your answers. I like you stick with answer, even though Gia is
Yeah, I was
always
I was
get good
discussing
grade.
betting to her well. I went, wait, that doesn't make sense.
Yeah, no. Gia was sometimes it happen. Like some smart people doesn't see a certain thing that's missing. They believe their answer is correct because they always get it correct, and so they're not willing to listen other people's feedback.
I will say it's nice that Jay can like actually take like wrong. She is like one of the best people to like be wrong. If that makes sense.
Yeah, she's nice.
Because she'll like, oh okay, and, like, and then she'll ask like, well, why is that? And then when she figure out, oh, you're right. And then May's like, you're fucking stupid.
No,
I've done it so many times. Like, I'll rage bait her just because I know I'll get her. Did you end it live?
No, it's a good thing that she knows that. Like I